Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back vlogging for after 2 weeks na. So I have a pending one to edit. Ano yun, mga April 3 yata yun. So magto 2 weeks na din. I haven't had an update, but tonight hopefully I can edit the vlog after I wash some pala yung towels and then a bit of my clothes and towels dahil may regla ako. And actually guys, earlier I was busy in the kitchen. Nag-clean ako ng aming clean our fridge. So that's all you can see. That's what we have in the fridge, and the milk here is actually expired na siya. 10 na ngayon eh. It's April. But March pa rin to. Oh my gosh. So I need to change this to April. So yeah. So hindi magagamit yung milk. Best before 10. Ito is 15 naman. And then here sa aming may lasagna dyan at wala kaming masyadong veggies. We don't have so much in our freezer. So no veggies. We need to buy more veggies, frozen veggies. For a few days, I think we are good. Our dishes is done. Ayun, umuusok pa siya. Smoking hot. So, ano yung buttermilk? Gagawa ako ng waffle tomorrow morning. So, yeah. Nagwa-waffle ako tomorrow morning para sa breakfast din. It's really sunny today. So we had dinner. Yan yung update ko, guys. I washed their bowl. Yung food ni Otis at ni Elsa. Kibbles. Ano to, guys? Kirkland of salmon and sweet potato and veggies, and then this small circle are chicken, rice, and veggies, and this black flat round na kibble is salmon. Yan. May plan pala ako, guys. Tomorrow na yung general cleaning ko. Tapos na yung pag-rest ko sa regla ko eh. Nag-rest talaga ako sa regla ko. So, ito lang naman yung bedsheet in this. I have been checking the electricity, guys ba. Basta talaga mag-washing at mag-dryer. Electricity super high.
1 hour later.
Guys, update ako, guys, para you guys know ba what's happening here. Ko yung isa sa palamunin sa AFAM. Usong-usong ngayon yan eh. Yung Pilipinang may asawang AFAM. Tapos walang trabaho. Ayun. Palamunin. So, na-feed na pala yung fish. Yung si Mr. nag-feed nun kanina. Isa-start ko muna to, guys. Then update ko kayo mamaya. The washing machine is on already. I've been out kasi every morning and afternoon. I'm checking the electric meter na usually 25 ang consume namin, but with the washing machine I checked last time was 51. So malaki talaga pag may washing and drying. I just need to wash yung isang bedsheet kasi may stains. And then, yung regla ko rin, may regla ako. Kaya, yun. So, nakapaglaba ako twice na. Normally talaga is 20 to 25. 20 kung if we are not cooking. We did cook this morning, yung waffles. And, nanood ako ng TV, mga noon na. Sa It's Showtime. I think I turned on the heater. So my heater then off ko na kasi this morning it's cold. Maybe there's like a big impact when you turn on an appliances and then boom. So maybe because you have to turn off the refrigerator when you clean, guys, right? So yeah. Ayan grabe yung araw, diba? Kahapon, yesterday, May thunderstorm na, umuulan saglit. Umuulan lang siya saglit at that's it. Umambon lang kadyot, tas it's done, disappeared. The clouds went south. It was here west. Across dito, west to eh. So, kaya yung ulan doon na lang sa banda, sa papuntang south. I can see that it started to feel like it's already spring, guys. So, yung grass nga ay nag-green na. Yeah, it's warm in the afternoon. It's still cool sa... You can still feel the coolness sa nighttime and early morning. I changed the bedsheet nga kasi yeah, I have to wash it because of the stain, and then next month, of course sa May, it's gonna be really warm. I have to put all the big blankets to put away. Will not use that for the spring and summer. Sa winter lang yan. Yung regla ko, patapos na. Talagang nag-rest talaga ako, guys, ng todong-todo. At saka pala nag-gain ako ng weight. 4 days ago, 3 days ago, kain ako ng kain kasi nga sa di ba? Papasarap kang kumain. Nag-gain ulit kasi ako ng konti. Not bad naman. Nag-dinner din ako, so yeah. Tapos ngayon, balik ulit, guys. So, yung plants na arawan naman yan eh. Tapos ito na arawan naman. Okay lang ganyan. Basta dito sa bedroom, mainit. Well, open lang so we have light. Ganyan. Well, ako mag-exercise. Diyan lang naman ako mag-exercise dito. Exercise para bumalik yung nabawas na. Nabawas na nga, tapos bumalik. Kain kasi nagkain. Anyway, okay guys.
1 hour later.
So, bumaba na kami dito sa baba. So, Elsa and Otis is here para sa kanilang party before we are settled. Ayan guys, ito pala yung antorium. Nag-yellow siya pero I already put the water and the fertilizer. So, hopefully hindi na siya mag-yellow. But, as you can see guys, meron na tayong red flower soon. Namatay yung red first flower, died, and then another one bloom. But so yeah, mag-i-edit ako ng aking video while waiting sa laundry. So na-dryer na. So ayun guys, wala naman akong gagawin na. So yun, nagpati na yung dalawa, si Otis and Elsa, and my laundry is done, and then waiting na lang. Tapos tutupuin ko yan mamaya. For the moment, mag-edit muna tayo. Vlog nung last April trip pa. So yeah. Yung laundry guys, tutupiin ko pa. Sorry kasi basa kong naong ani. Na-fold ko na yung laundry, and then nag-i-edit na ako ng video ko dito. So, and I'm tired. But video I will be uploading 2 vlogs guys. So 2 video in 1 vlog. Tama ba? Am I correct?
The next day.
Morning guys. So kakagising ko lang at kakape pa rin ako. Magagawa pala ako ng Waffle. Kasi, so gamitin to kasi may expire na siya. So, ito yung booklet that is included with the waffle maker. So, yung mag-make ako ng spicy cheddar waffles. So, we use this usually when my hubby likes to guys. Gusto niya mag-sandwich with bacon and egg. Ito yung waffle maker. First ingredients. First is egg, guys. Maker. Then mag-shred lang ako ng cheese. One. Ayan. Dito na si puti sa lasa. Alam nila they know when there is a cheese. One half cup of cheese. Last ingredients, full butter. Guys, ito umuusok. Yan, it's already beaten. So, pag nag-beat na yan, ready. So, ito yung cup. So, nag-beep na siya, guys. Ayan. Sorry. So, naman siya crispy na. cheese, buddy. So we have the last. Ay, ay, ay. You guys already have cheese. Hmm?
A few moments later.
So, ito yung aming dinner tonight, guys. As we can find naman sa Costco. So dalawa siya in a one. Yung isa nasa freezer. Magandang buhay pa. So, it's almost, 20 minutes. So, it's showtime. So, nagde-delete lang ako ng, mga photo sa phone ko. Yung photo gallery ko sa phone. Ayan, so. Nagpupop ito. Ayan, maganda naman. Wala na masyadong snow, guys. Pero malamig pa rin naman. It's still cool. Especially, you can feel the springtime na. And parang, you can feel the springtime but it's very windy. Sometimes I can feel na parang nag-earthquake here sa amin. The wind, when it's windy weather, mga 30 to 50 kilometer per hour ba yan? Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, ha? kph ba yan? Tama ba ako? At yung bahay, because story house, so nagsishake siya. Anyway, ayan si Otis. You done pupo? Yan. Hi, Otis Nose. Hello, Otis Nose. Good job, buddy. Then, to the lasagna, guys. Chinek ko lang kasi si Otis if he is done pooping. Minsan kasi he is eating poop ba. Kumakain siya ng poop. So, kailangan ko siyang bantayan. Preheating. So, 380 for 50 minutes. And after 50 minutes, remove the 50 minutes. Open sa corner. Ayan, corner lang, ganyan. Tapos, to steam, if the steam will escape after 50 minutes, another 15, but totally open na yung, remove na yung plastic cover. Charge ko pa yung phone ko. Si Otis nagsasunbathing siya. Papark talaga si San Otis. Si Habi magigising. He thinks I think he heard me. You heard me, buddy? You heard me? I was videoing you outside. Hi. You can stay out there. So another 15 minutes. Especially for you. Especially for you. Kulimlim pa rin. Oh, may araw naman. But it's cloudy. The sun is hiding. So, I'm ready na. So we will just cool this